If you don't know about the PHP coding, then this video is for you. How you can make a dynamic contact form without PHP and MySQL server in your website. This tutorial I'll show you guys. So I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Guys, in this video I'll talk with you about the dynamic contact form, how you can make it without PHP. So first of all, what you have to do is that I need to just open my browser, and here you need to just go to here in this website called www.zotform.com, and here you need to just sign up here. Give a username, email ID and give the password, and I have already made it. I need to just sign it, and if you have any account then you just sign it here, and from here you need to just click on the create form, and from here there are two type of forms. Here is the new one by one form, and here it is the another question form, and here I will show you guys in the next tutorial. So I just edit here, so click here and click on the create form, and here it is there are some templates for you, and here is the blank form. I don't use that template, but you guys can use it, but I want to just show you guys from the first to last. So click on the create. From here we need to just type something, CONTACT, contact me, okay, and click on the create, and here it is. Here we need to just make the form, so click on the add form element from here, and here all the elements are here. First of all, we will make a name here, so just click on the full name and it will create a field here, and here we can just edit it, and we need also an email here, and we just made an email. We need to add our address, or whether not, if you do not want to add your address, then just click on the remove and it will be removed. And I want to just add my phone number here, then I just add it, and here we can add a time picker, date picker, anything, long text, short text, anything here. Drop down menu, we can also add a drop down menu, single choice menu, multiple choice menu, we can also add a multiple choice menu, and from here we can add a email number, and we can add an image form or captcha, spinner, anything from here, input table form, star rating form, anything, scale rating, divide, anything, and here it is in the last is you can add a submit form. And now we will just edit it. Let's edit it. So just click here, select it and edit it. But after just selecting here, we need to just click on the properties, and the property is on. Here we just add the name, your full name, okay, and the label alignment is in the top. If you want, then it will be in the left or it will be in the right, so how you want. So click on the set as default or not, and if you want to use that, it will be required. That means if the user do not fill up this form, that time they cannot just send it, then you just select it. And here you can also just edit the sublabels, and these are the sublabels. Here the here first, and it will be type here, and your last, okay. And now here is a duplicate field. If you want to duplicate it, then you can use it. And now go to the option, and you can use here a middle name. That means another option you can use here. The prefix, that means the Mr., Mrs., anything what you want, like that prefix, and the suffix, after that suffix it will be used here, and I don't want to use, so I just skip it. And here you can also use here a placeholder. That means there in the many forms you can see that they will show something like opacity low, it will be show here, something like fade, it will be show here. So you can make it after like that. I just here your first name, okay, your last name, your last name, okay, so it will be like that. And from here we want to just remove the sub levels, so I will just go to here and I just erase the sub levels from here, and it will be erased here from here. Here it is, these are erased, but you see that they all are just having there. Here it is, it's just deleted, and you can see that the sublabels are deleted. Now just select another from here, and it's okay here. And if I want, I can also just go to here in the email, and here is the email is on, so I just click on the properties and it will be on here. I just type here your email, your email, and it will be like that, and it will be in the center and required. And sub level, I just want to remove the sub level from here, and just go to in the advanced and add a placeholder. Type your email here, okay, and it will be like that. Okay, now I just go to here in the phone numbers. From here, just go to the phone numbers, and it will be country code is on here. It will be the country code, the area code, and the input mask, and it will be like that, the input mask, which will be more attractable, and you can use it here as you wish. And here the country code as you wish. You can also add a placeholder here. In the country code, you can use here the ++, as I'm a Bangladeshi, so my country code is here, and I just add here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I just add a phone here, and it will be like that. I don't want to add a area code here, so I just go to here, and it will be look like that, the phone number here, the area code and the country code. As you wish, we can use it. So after that, if I want to make it record, then you can make it. And here I just want to add the country code COUNTRY, or as my wish, I want to just remove the sub level from here, and it will be remove the sub levels from here. I just make a mistake, so I just need to remove it, and it looks like that. And now here it is, another the time level. If I want, then I can just remove it from here, and I just removed it from here. And then you can also, if you just make a mistake, then click here to undo it, and it will be undo there. And here it is, all the things are okay. The sub levels that you can just remove it. Option, range, the format, it will be 12-hour format or AM/PM format. And then the both lifetime AM only, the PM only, like limit time, it will be AM or both AM/PM. The default date, current, or the custom date, non-default time, it will be current time is the default time. Then that means how much it will be, the range in that, and here is the minutes stepping. Here the range is the time range. You can also make a time range from here to there, and the duration indicator, how much it will be, that time it will be the unit until. And you can, here this is the until, and you can remove it from here, and you can add a dash from here, from what to there. The advanced is the read only or the shrink, as you wish. And here it is, they can shrink it, move to the new field or hide field from here, and that's all. And now I just go to in the another, here is the drop down menu, and from the drop down menu I just type a question, ask, I just type here the what is your country, COUNTRY, your country. And the sub level, I do not want to add a sub level from here, and go to then the option, the width, it will be width is the 150, and you can increase it to 300, okay, as my wish. And then from here we need to just go to in the sub level, and options, the preferred options selected by default, use calculation value, show text value, empty options are here. And from here you can choose the options here. Just click on the option. I just type here the VNGLATSH, India, INDIA, PAKISPAN, okay. So these are my options are there. And now whenever I just click here, and it will be edited like that. And here it is, you can also edit the options here. I just here the option enable like that, you can edit. Now I just go to in the down below, and I will show you how to edit the multiple choice questions from here. Type a question here, what is your food. I just type here, what is your food, and from here we can just edit here. From here I just make it required as I wish, and then just arrange the typing options are I just change the option is the rice, then I just change the option as meat, meat. I just make it the burger, 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 sandwich, like the sandwich, sandwich, okay, sandwich, and it will look like that. And here is the another option, the multiple choice question. You can also make it as the multiple choice question, and from here I just go to here, what you want to buy, what you want to buy, okay, here. And from here just go to in the option, and you can just change the option from here, rice, chicken, 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 fast food, and then I just add here another is the meal, dinner, yeah, okay, as my wish I can use here. And here you can add a number here as your wish, that means, and I don't want to add a number here, I just remove it. And here you can also add a payment method. Just go to here, and you can here there have a lot of payment methods are there. You can use your payment method as a PayPal as your wish, but I don't want to use them here. And here is the last is the submit form. Just go to in the property of the submit form, and you can edit it here, and you can add a style button, change the style of the button, and you can also add an image in your here as your style button here, and you can use it here. So that's it. And now is the time to just publish this from here to there. So just click on the publish from here, and just go to in the embed code from here. And now just go to in the source code from here, and it will be, you will get all the codes from here, just showing here, and copy the code, click here to copy the code. And here it is, this is my site, and here I want to just paste it, so just paste it here, and your all things are done here. Now just refresh it, and your form is all over here. And but there have a problem that you will say just box like that, jot from create a new own form. I want to just delete it from here, so just go to in the down below of here, and here you will get that here is the form, and in the down form footer, and you need to just delete it. So I just remove it from here and just refresh it. Have a look at here, it is, it's all. Now I want to just add it here, form footer. The form footer I want to just delete it from here, so just refresh it, and I just delete it from here too. And here it is, I want to just refresh it from here. So my things are tasks are done from here, and whenever I just fill up this form like that, it will be just submitting like that here, sajidz take @ here it is. And here I can add a form here, phone number here I add a phone number. So I want to add a time from here to there, as a time to here the PM, okay. Your currency country as a Bangladesh, my country is Bangladesh, my food is rice. What you want to rice, what you want to buy, rice as a buy, okay, here, and click on the submit, and your form will be sent here. So just please wait to, here it is, your whenever your form will be sent, that time you will redirect in this page. Now just go to here, and we need to just go to in our account from here. Just now from here we need to just go to in my account from here, just go to here in the jotform.com from here, and it will take me in my form here. And here it is, this is my form which I made it here, contact me, and this is my form. Here is the contact me form which I just go to in the level is the contact me form. And now there have also I get a message which I sent from here, so just open it. So just click here, and then just click on the submission, and it will be submitted there. And here you will get all the things which they just sent you. And here it is the submission date, here the full name is the Sajid Hassan, which I sent, the email name, the time, and the currency, the what is your favorite rice. These are which I get, which I fill up, they just show me here. And by that you can make a form, and you can also add the form, and you will get all the things here too. and by that you can make a form without any PHP and the MySQL form, and you can submit it in your website and you can make it. So that's it from me guys. I hope that you guys get a lot of advantage from this video, and if you guys get so, then I request you to give a thumbs up under this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.